Today we are cooking a traditional dish from the mountains of Himachal Pradesh called Chane ke Khatte. To make this, we will take brown chickpeas that we have soaked overnight and add them to a pressure cooker. Add salt, dry mango powder or Amchur and red chili powder. Add plenty of water and give everything a good mix. These spices will give the gravy a tangy and spicy kick. Now, pressure cook on high heat for 3 to 4 whistles and let the steam release naturally. You can see the chickpeas are cooked through. You should be able to easily crush them between your fingers like this. Now strain the chickpeas and save the stock as we will use it later to make the gravy. Next, heat some mustard oil in a pan until it just starts to smoke to remove its strong raw aroma. Mustard oil is the soul of the Pahadi cuisine. Once the oil is hot, temper it with dried red chilies, fennel seeds, cumin seeds and a pinch of hing. Stir and let the spices crackle. Then add besan, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and salt. Cook over a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes so the raw flavor of the spices disappears and you get a flavorful gravy base. Chane ki khatte is one of the signature dishes served during a ceremonial feast in the Kangra region of Himachal Pradesh. It is traditionally cooked by special hereditary cooks called botis and served on leaf plates known as patal. Now add the cooked chickpeas and coat them generously in the masala. Slowly add the reserved stock until you achieve your desired gravy consistency. Once the gravy has thickened and you see the oil separating like this, add some garam masala, chopped coriander leaves and a little powdered jaggery to balance the flavors. Stir until the jaggery melts into the gravy, then remove it from the heat and serve it with white rice. If you love this recipe, let us know in the comments, and until next time, happy cooking!